Okay, so today let's dive into the healing power of burdock root. Now, burdock root, it does look simple, but trust me when I say this is a plant-powered powerhouse. Now, if you are interested in natural healing, healthy skin, well, clear skin, more energy, or just want to understand how to use nature to feel your very best, stay tuned. Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay notified for when I post a new video. Yes, because I'm posting every week to help you heal with flavor. So let's get into it. Okay, so now let's start off with the basics. Burdock root, also known as Arctium lappa, is a root vegetable that has been used for centuries in traditional herbal medicines, especially in Asia, the European, and the Caribbean cultures. Okay, now burdock root is brown, long, and it grows deep down in the soil. Now that is packed with minerals and nutrients straight from earth. Now that's natural nutrients right there. Okay, it's also packed with iron, inulin fiber, and antioxidants. It's also known for purifying the blood, boosting skin health, and supporting liver function. Now ain't that amazing? Natural health boosts skin health, supports liver function, and purifies the blood. Amazing. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so let me give you 5 top tips on how burdock root can help your body. So, number 1, blood cleanser. Burdock was traditionally used to cleanse the blood, meaning it helps your liver and kidneys filter out toxins more efficiently. Number 2, skin savior. Now, if you're suffering with acne, eczema, or dry skin, burdock root can help you from the inside out by supporting liver detox and reducing inflammation. I need water. Wait there, I'm going to come back. Let me get some water. Much better. Okay. Number 3, anti-inflammatory support. Now, chronic inflammation causes a lot of issues, from joint pains to fatigue, but burdock root antioxidants can help calm your body right down. Number 4, gut health booster. What did I say? Gut health booster. Inulin fiber feeds your bad gut bacteria, helping with digestion and nutrient absorption. Last but not least, number 5. Dun dun dun. I remember that movie. Okay, but anyways, last but not least, number 5. Natural energy plus iron. Now, if you're feeling low on iron or just feeling constantly tired, burdock root helps build blood, especially when combined with iron-rich foods or herbs like nettle. So thank you for watching. Hope I'm lying. We ain't done. So let's go to the kitchen. Let me give you some information on how to use burdock root. So let's get into it. Okay, how to use it? Easy. Here's a few ways. Number 1, tea, the most common way. Okay, buy yourself some burdock root, boil that for about 10 to 15 minutes, strain it, sip it. If the flavor isn't up to your standards, add some cinnamon and ginger for that boost of flavor. Number 2, decoction, way stronger than tea, by the way. All you have to do is boil the root for much longer, for about 30 minutes, so it's able to bring out all of them benefits. Number 3, tincture. You can find the liquid extract form for daily use, but make sure you check your dosage with a herbalist. Okay. Number 4, last but not least, number 4, food. In Chinese cuisines, it's known as gobo. So yeah, they use it in stir fries and soups. But just a warning, make sure it's proper secure and you're not allergic. And if you are on any medication, check with your doctor before taking any herbs. I'm gonna say it one more time. If you are on any medication, check with your doctor before taking any herbs and make sure it's properly secure and you're not allergic. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so now let me take you way back into time to when I first took burdock root. Now, burdock root, I was taking it as a tea and also as a decoction as well to bring out most of the benefits. And to be honest, the taste wasn't really for me. Even though I love a bitter taste, this bitter earthy taste was not. I wasn't expecting it, so it was very unexpected for me. But then, as I was taking it for 2 weeks every other day, the decoction plus the tea, it just gave off this. Since I got used to it, it became an immaculate earthy bitter taste. Amazing, very tasty. I would definitely go and make it right now and drink it again. Okay, my body was feeling free, it was feeling energized, my skin was very clear. Well, you get this feeling with your skin, you get this, some days your skin will feel very heavy, especially if you cream your skin after a wash, it starts feeling very heavy. But then my skin was feeling very, instead of feeling heavy, it was feeling very light and just free. So yeah, those are the power, that's the power that burdock root can do for your body. Okay, it can bring back energy, boost your immunity, help your skin. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's the power of burdock root. Now I want you all to get yourself some burdock root, since I believe that burdock root is one of the most underrated herbs there is. Well, not in the world, but like one of them. That's all, mostly underrated. Okay, so yeah, get yourself some burdock root. But before you get yourself some burdock root, I'm going to say it again, if you are on any medication, check with your doctor before you take any herbs. Don't just watch this video and be like, yes, game on, I'm gonna start taking those herbs. No, check with your doctor before you start taking any of these herbs. Okay, promise me. Okay, yeah, we promised. Okay, make sure you do, make sure. But yes, hopefully you've enjoyed this video, hopefully you've been noting things down, and I hope that you have learned something new today. So thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video.